This overgrown greenhouse is going to become my plant nursery, but before I can do that, I've got to rescue it. Now that area's cleared, it's a lot safer and I can get closer to the glass, which is important because I don't want to have an accident. But I've also noticed that the glass is actually kite marked, so that means that it's toughened. So it will make it a bit safer, but I still need to be careful because it's very old. Now I'm going to stack the glass out of the way because I don't want to tread on it. Well, that's all the glass gone. No broken panes, no accident. All I need to do now is tidy up the inside and free the base and then take it away. So this is the component parts of the greenhouse. They all need a proper tidy up and clean before I rebuild the greenhouse in the autumn. Well, I successfully managed to rescue the greenhouse, so it will now affectionately be known as my nursery. I don't intend to put it together yet, not until the autumn, but I've got all the component parts: glass, frame, staging, high level shelving, so I'm more than happy. It's taken me 3 days, but I think it was worth it.